Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Versatile Mother. Today's topic is completely about memorizing with fun activities, which is part 4 of how to handle kids at home. Parents, we often see our kids getting confused between two letters or two different words because of lack of practice. When it comes to engaging kids at home, parents, we always think that we are not having enough stuff to engage our kids, thereby disappointing them and not giving enough practice for our kids. Today, I just want to show you two type of memory games, which is a visual memory and a verbal memory games, not using a single penny or below 50 rupees, so that we can easily engage our kids at home and give them a good brain boosting activities, so that we can easily crack their great confusion in their little minds. So without late, let's get started. Okay, is this A?
No, that is not A.
This is A?
No, that is not A.
This A?
No, that is not A.
Is this A?
No, that is not A.
No, this is A, Nana. See, this and this are one and the same. Circle it. Circle it, circle it. So this is A. No, that is not A. Very good. Next. Very good.
Cat.
When it comes to verbal memory, I always follow a 3R method to give a good practice for my kids at home. For this method, I just used a chart and made into 3 partitions. And these small cards are nothing but the current information which we are teaching for our kids. These are CVC words which I am teaching for my elder son. So I just wrote all the CVC words in the small flashcards, and in the day 1 I'll just repeat all the words, and after finishing the repeat method I'll keep in the second pocket for day 2. So in the day 2, early in the morning, and again I'll take all the flashcards and give a best revision of all the words. And after finishing the revision, I'll keep in the third pocket for day 3. This is how I make a good practice for my kids in a continuous manner, so that he will never forget the given information, or he will never get confused between the 2 words. Parents, you can choose any kind of DIY wall hangers and also increase these partitions according to your personal choice and your budget levels. Now, let us move on to the visual memory games. Before 4. Come on, jump. Yes. What is after 3? Jump. Yeah. Go and jump 4. Yes. The best part to increase your child's visual as well as verbal memory is nothing but a storybook. In the storybook, when they open and see the pictures, they will organize in a correct manner, and thereby they finally comes to a conclusion and narrates a story using their own words. This is the reason why most of the parents end their day using a bedtime stories. Parents, here where I am ending my video, stick on to my channel, and there you are going to get a final part of how to handle kids at home is a pretend play. So please, if you really like the content, do subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.